Good evening, miss.
Good evening.
Evening, miss.
Good evening.
It's a birthday at oral Manda Delhi, sir.
Okay, justice, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Justice, happy birthday.
Thank you, miss.
All of you, please type your attendance. Okay. Page number 10. Take page number 10.
MS, sir.
Yes, MS. Okay, all of you turn on your videos. Okay, Alan Ben is a newcomer, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher.
നിങ്ങൾ മുന്നേ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടായിരുന്നോ?
No, teacher. No, not at all.
No. ഇനി മുന്നേ അലൻ കേറിയിട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നു ഒരു ക്ലാസ്സിലും?
No, teacher.
Okay, this is your first class. Okay. Welcome, Alan.
Yes.
Welcome to our class.
Okay. Now we are dealing our MS, Moral Science. Okay. That is lesson 3. Science does not lie. Name of our lesson is Science does not lie. Page number 10. Take page number 10 of your textbook. Yes, shall we start?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, please listen carefully. Did you read this?
No, miss.
Yes, Joanna had read. Then
Yes, miss.
any other? എല്ലാരും വായിച്ചായിരുന്നു അപ്പോ?
വായിച്ചായിരുന്നു, sir.
Okay. Is it clear? വായിച്ചപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായോ?
ആണ്, sir.
Yes. Okay, now let's start. Please listen carefully. Science does not lie. Oh, another unfamiliar word. Debu sighed and reached for the box that lay beside him. He pressed on, but Afras. Okay. Then others, please turn on your videos. Sri Vishnu,
Miss, ഇപ്പോ
Justice. Okay, please listen. Here you can see Debu. Debu is our main character. Okay. And oh, another unfamiliar word. Debu sighed and reached for the box that lay beside him. He pressed the on button and a bluish screen glowed on the upper left-hand corner of the box. Below was a keyboard. Debu glanced again at the word on his computer terminal and then keyed it into his dictona, the dictionary attached to his work shelf. Horse, he murmured. Now, what in the universe could that be? As he spoke, the meaning appeared on the dictona screen. Noun, an extinct animal used in the 20th century for pulling wheeled vehicles and for riding. Then the words faded and a picture of a horse appeared on the screen. Okay. Here you can see Debu. Debu sighed and reached for the box that lay beside him. Yes, there is a box that is near to this Debu, and Debu says that here is another unfamiliar word. That means he does not know the meaning of a word. So that's why he says that here is another unfamiliar word. And we can see that near to this Debu there is a box. There is a box. Debu side means Debu take a deep breath. Okay. He pressed the on button and a bluish screen glowed on the upper left hand corner of the box. In that box, this Debu pressed the on button. Okay. In order to on a machine, on a computer or anything like, we should on that, isn't it? So here Debu pressed the on button and then a bluish screen glowed on the upper left hand corner of the box. Then he saw a bluish screen. After he turned on that box, he saw a bluish screen. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Then Debu glanced again. Okay. Below was a keyboard. In that box, there was a keyboard. Below there was a keyboard. Debu glanced again at the word on his computer terminal and then keyed it into his dictona, the dictionary attached to his work shelf. Then glanced means looked. Debu looked at the word on his computer terminal. Computer terminal means electronic device that can be used for entering data. Okay, computer terminal is used to enter data. And then keyed it into his dictona. This Debu wants to look the meaning of a word. So he typed that word into the dictona. Dictona means dictona, the dictionary attached to his work shelf. Dictionary attached to that box. Horse, he murmured. Now what in the universe could that be? As he spoke, the meaning appeared on the dictona screen. Yes. Now he is speaking. He spoke the word horse. Okay. He wanted to know the meaning of the word horse. When he spoke this word, the word appeared on the screen. Dictona screen. That is the meaning. You can see the meaning. Noun, an extinct animal used in the 20th century for pulling wheeled vehicles and for riding. Yes, this is the meaning for the word horse. Okay, that is appeared on that screen. Then the words faded and a picture of a horse appeared on the screen. After that, first he got the meaning of that word. After that, the words faded and a picture of horse appeared in that screen. Now he can see the picture, not the meaning of that word. At first he saw the meaning of that word, then he saw the picture of a horse in that screen. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Then a 20th century animal, a 20th century pen. These history projects are such nuisance. Debu grumbled. Yes, Debu is grumbled. Grumbled means murmuring something. പെറുപെറുക്കുന്നു. Debu എന്തൊക്കെയോ ഇങ്ങനെ വെറുതെ പെറുപെറുക്കുകയാണ്. A 20th century animal, a 20th century pen. These history projects are such a nuisance. These history projects are such a nuisance. He is murmuring something. Okay, grumbling something. When am I ever going to need a pen? He turned around to pick it up. Okay, now this Debu wants a pen, so he's looking around. When am I ever going to need a pen? He needs a pen. He turned around to pick it up. Yes, he's searching for his pen. Now he wants a pen and he's searching for his pen. Now where did I put? Debu shouted. Yes, he's asking about his pen. Now where did I put it? He does not know where his pen is. So, Mika, where is my pen? He heard a hum in response. The family's new robot helper, Mika, slid in noiselessly. Its eyeballs glowed blue and its metal body shone. Okay. Who is Mika?
The robot, Miss. We have studied this chapter in our previous class.
This lesson.
Yes, Miss. Then same then.
Okay, now
Like
we
that.
have started it, so we can continue this. Okay.
ഡെബു അതെ.
എന്നിട്ട് രാവിലെ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഇത് തന്നെയാണല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞത്?
ഹോംവർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ.
എല്ലാരും ഒരുമിച്ച് മറന്നുപോയോ?
പക്ഷെ മിസ്സേ മറ്റേ കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലം പഠിച്ചതിനേക്കാളും വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട് ഇതിന്റെ സെന്റൻസിനൊക്കെ.
കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലം പഠിച്ചതാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്.
ആ കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലം എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞേ.
ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു മാനസ മിസ് ഓൾറെഡി ഇത് എടുത്തതായിരിക്കും.
അല്ല കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലം ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ
അങ്ങനെ വരാറുണ്ട്. കുറച്ച് വ്യത്യാസം വരും, പക്ഷെ കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിനാ പഠിച്ചതെങ്കിൽ കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും ഇതിനേക്കാളും.
കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം ഞങ്ങള് ആറില് ഇത് പഠിച്ചായിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ. യെസ്, എന്നാ പിന്നെ ഈസി അല്ലേ? പെട്ടെന്ന് മീനിങ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നെ പറയാനുള്ളതേ ഉള്ളൂ. യെസ്, ഡെബു is the robot. Okay. And not
Miss Mika അല്ല, Mika.
Sorry, മാറിപ്പോയതാ. Mika is the robot. Okay. This Debu enquired Mika where is his pen. He heard a hum in response. Hum means പഠിച്ചവരല്ലേ, അപ്പൊ ഹമ്മിന്റെ മീനിങ് അറിയാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ.
മിസ്സേ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒന്നും ഇല്ലായിരുന്നോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷില്?
ഇല്ലായിരുന്നോ? അപ്പൊ ഇതിലും ചെറുതായിരുന്നോ?
അതാ പറഞ്ഞത്, ഇതിൽ ചെറുതായിരുന്നു. ഇതിലുള്ള പകുതി ഒന്നും അതിലില്ല.
അപ്പൊ തന്നെ അവന് ഹോംവർക്ക് ഉണ്ട്, മടിയാണ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന അപ്പൊ തന്നെ റോബോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന പറഞ്ഞു.
ഈ 20th century പെൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ആ ഒരു സംഭവം അതിലില്ലായിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ. നൗ ലെറ്റ്സ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ. നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും ഇത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം, വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടാവുമായിരിക്കും. He heard a hum in response. Hum means a low steady sound. Low sound. Okay. Low sound made by this Mika. The family's new robot helper. Page number 10. The family's new robot helper Mika slid in noiselessly. Slid means move. Okay. This robot move without making any noise. Okay, noiselessly. Its eyeballs glowed blue and its metal body shone. Okay, that means color of its eyeballs is blue and its metal body shone. Shone means shone. Joanna. Okay.
Mr. Shine in the past tense, alle?
Yes. Shone. That means shine brightly. Okay. Then where is my pen? Mika. Debu demanded. Is here. Debu demands that. Where is my pen, Mika? In your left hand, Debu Baba. Mika answered. Yes. The pen was in his left hand. Actually, the pen was in his left hand. Okay, but he's enquiring his pen. Then disbelievingly Debu looked at his left hand. Sure enough, there it was. Yes, at that time Debu looked at his own hands. The pen was there in his left hand. Okay, sure enough, there it was. The pen was there. Oh, he said sheepishly. Sheepishly means shameful. Okay, with the shame. Oh, he said sheepishly. I would done such a silly thing in school. I would be the laughing stock of the entire class. Yes, here Debu says that if this Debu does this thing in his class, what will be the result? Others will mock or others will laugh at him, isn't it? Pen കയ്യിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് പെൻ അന്വേഷിച്ചു. യെസ്. അപ്പൊ ക്ലാസ്സിലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു? എല്ലാരും ചിരിക്കൂലേ? എല്ലാരും കളിയാക്കൂലേ? Yes.
കളിയാക്കും.
This Debu thinks about that. Mika, what's the meaning of the word horse? Yes, now this Debu is asking the meaning of the word horse to this Mika. Debu is asking the meaning of the word horse. Mika says that it's a noun. The word means an animal which was used in the 20th century to pull carts for riding. It is now extinct. Mika posed. Yes, here Mika also says the meaning of the word horse. Okay. And Mika posed means Mika stopped. Then Mika asked, do you require any further information? Then Mika says to ask this Debu that whether do you want any more information, any further information? You are programmed to provide all kinds of information. Debu asked, surprised. Yes, it was a surprise for Debu, and Debu asked this robot that you are programmed to provide all kinds of information. എന്താണ് എല്ലാ തരത്തിലുള്ള വിവരങ്ങൾ തരാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള അതേപോലെ പ്രോഗ്രാം ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു റോബോട്ടാണോ നീ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് ഡെബു സർപ്രൈസ് ആവുകയാണ്. He had thought domestic robots knew very basic facts. Where mean who is that? Shanif?
ഷാനിഫിന്റെ മൈക്കോണാ.
Okay. Then yes, he had thought domestic robots knew very basic facts and were meant only to follow routine orders and do domestic chores. Yes, this Debu thinks that this type of domestic robots which are used in home were only knew very basic facts. എന്താണ് അധികം അറിവൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, ബേസിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വീട്ടിൽ ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ മാത്രമേ ഈ റോബോട്ടിന് അറിയാമായിരിക്കും എന്നാണ് ഡെബു വിചാരിച്ചു വെച്ചിരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. Then domestic chores means domestic tasks such as washing, cleaning, or like that activities that had happened in a home. Okay. Mika was almost as good as his old-fashioned dictona and could provide the answers verbally. Yes, like that old-fashioned dictona means that dictionary. Okay, in the first we have a dictionary that this Mika was almost good as that old-fashioned dictona and could provide the answers verbally. Yes, that means this Mika can speak the answers for the questions. Okay, verbally means എന്താണ് പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. Mika can speak. Can you answer all kinds of questions? He asked. Yes, then this Debu asked, can you answer all kinds of questions to this Mika? And how much is 100 divided by 3? Yes, he asked one more question to this robot. How much is 100 divided by 3? I am programmed to answer a wide range of questions, Mika boasted. 100 divided by 3 is 80 posed and then said, I can answer anything you ask. I have large amount of information. Ask me anything you like, anything at all. Yes, here this Debu is asking a question. At that time, this robot says that I am programmed to answer wide range of questions. He says that he can answer many questions. He's programmed in such a way he can answer many questions. Mika boasted. Boasted means boast.
പൊങ്ങച്ചം പറയാ.
പൊങ്ങച്ചം പറഞ്ഞു. Talk with the excessive pride. Okay. 100 divided by 3 is, then he made a pause. This robot made a pause. That means a stop. And then said, I can answer anything you ask. I have a large amount of information. Ask me anything you like, anything at all. Yes. Before giving the answer, he made a pause and then he says that he can answer anything. So you can ask any question to me. Okay. Then next one. Debu glanced at the Robert's expressionless face. Could it be boasting? Surely not. And yet it certainly sounded boastful. Irritated by the robot's matter-of-fact claim, Debu asked Mika several questions in quick succession. Mika answered every question, hardly pausing to even allow its circuitry to process the information properly. Yes, Debu glanced at the robot expressionless face. That means there was not any expression in the face of that robot. Okay, no expression. This Debu can't see any expression in the face of that robot. Could it be boasting? Yes. Now Debu is in a doubt that whether this robot is boasting. വെറുതെ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നതാണോ, എനിക്കെല്ലാം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണോ ഈ റോബോട്ട് എന്ന് ഡെബു എന്താണ് ഇങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിക്കുകയാണ്. whether this robot is boasting. Then surely not. Yes, then Debu thinks that surely not. അല്ലായിരിക്കും, ഉറപ്പായിട്ടും പൊങ്ങച്ചൊന്നും ആയിരിക്കില്ല എന്ന് ഡെബു വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. And yet it certainly sounded boastful. But this sound, according to this Debu, the words made by this robot seems like a boastful words. Okay. എന്നാലും എന്താണ് ഒരു പൊങ്ങച്ചം പോലെ ഇവന് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, വെറുതെ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നത് പോലെ ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Then irritated by the robot's matter-of-fact claim, Debu asked Mika several questions in quick succession. Yes, this Debu is irritated by the boastful words by this robot, and so he asked some more questions to this robot. Quick succession means quick series. A series of questions were asked by this Debu to this robot, and Mika answered every question, hardly pausing to even allow its circuitry to process the information properly. Yes, this Mika answered every question, the questions which had asked by this Debu. Mika answered every questions, but hardly pausing even to allow its circuitry to process the information properly. But this robot did not pause to even allow its circuitry. Circuitry means electronic circuit to process the information properly. എന്താണ് ഈ ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ ഒന്ന് പ്രോപ്പർ ആയിട്ട് പ്രോസസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു വെയിറ്റ് ഒന്നും ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. എന്താണ് ഹീസ് talking continuously. The robot is talking continuously. Then this irritated Debu even more. Okay, this also irritated Debu. He reminded himself that Mika was only a robot. He heard himself saying sarcastically, "Oh, brilliant, brilliant Mika. What brains, what knowledge." As he spoke, an idea struck him. Could he? Was it possible? Debu leapt out of bed. Why not? Mika had answered all the questions he had asked. Okay, here this Debu is saying continuously. He reminded this irritated this Debu. Sorry, Mika is saying continuously. The name of the robot is Mika. എനിക്ക് Debu Mika തമ്മിൽ മാറിപ്പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, so you should listen that. Okay, then he reminded himself that Mika was only a robot. Even though this Debu is irritated, but he reminded himself this is only a robot, so don't be irritated. He thinks himself. He heard himself saying sarcastically, "Oh, brilliant, brilliant Mika, what brains, what knowledge." Yes, that means this Debu heard himself say that robot himself says like mocking. Sarcastically means make mocking. Oh, brilliant, brilliant Mika, what brains, what knowledge. എന്താണ് ഡെബു ഈ റോബോട്ടിനെ ഒന്ന് കളിയാക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഓ ബ്രില്യന്റ് ബ്രില്യന്റ് മിക എന്നിങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, this Debu. As he spoke, an idea struck him. Could he? Was it possible? Yes, at that time, this Debu got an idea. And he thinks that was it possible? Debu leapt out of bed. Leapt out of bed means jumped out of bed. Now this Debu is in his, I think maybe this Debu is in his bed. So Debu leapt out of the bed. Why not? Milka had answered all the questions he had asked. Yes, this Milka is Mika. This Mika is answering all the questions that this Debu asked. So this Debu thinks that what yes, it is possible. This Debu is thinking something, and Debu thinks that that will be possible by this robot. And Mika, can you help me? Yes, here Debu asks a help from Mika. Sure, Baba, the robot replied. Yes, he said, yes, sure. Well, said Debu, his eyes shining with excitement. Yes, now his eyes were shining with excitement. Debu's eyes were shining with the excitement. I want to go out and play with my friends, but I have to finish this assignment. I have to use this 20th century pen and write the answers to these questions in this old-fashioned notebook. You already know all the answers. All you have to do is write them in this book. Will you do it, please?
മിസ്സേ ഇതുള്ളത് ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് അതിന്റെ പിറ്റേ വർഷം.
അത് ഇവര് പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു.
പറഞ്ഞോണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നേ.
അതന്നെ.
കഥയുടെ പകുതി എത്തിയപ്പോഴാ ഹെവൻ അത് മനസ്സിലായത്.
അല്ല, ഞാനിപ്പോഴേ കയറിയത് അതുകൊണ്ടാ.
ഓക്കെ, then എന്താണ്, what was the request of this Debu?
അസൈൻമെന്റ് എഴുതി കൊടുക്കണം.
Yes. In an old-fashioned book.
Yes, this Debu wants to go out for play with his friends. Okay, so he want to finish his assignment also. So he requests the help of this Mika. I have to use this 20th century pen and write the answers to these questions in the old-fashioned notebook. That means he wanted to write all the answers in the notebook. So he asked a help from this Robert, Mika. You already know all the answers. All you have to do is write them in this book. Yes, so you should write. The Robert should write all the answers in his notebook. That is the request made by this Debu. Will you do it, please? You have understood what I want, haven't you? Debu asked, pulling on his shoes and quickly combing his hair. Will you complete it by the time I return? Yes, now this Debu is getting ready to go out. That means you can see pulling on his shoes. He's tying his shoes and quickly combing his hair. Combs his hair and asks, will you complete it by the time I return? തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോഴേക്കും ഇതൊക്കെ നോട്ട് എഴുതി വെക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പറയുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു കാര്യം ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടല്ലോ, എക്സാം എഴുതാത്തവരോട് എക്സാം എഴുതി സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് ഇന്ന് തന്നെ. Yes, then yes, Debu Baba, it will all be done, Mika replied confidently. Yes, Mika agreed to that condition, agreed to that request with very confidence. Okay, this Mika was very confident. Wonderful, Mika, you are a real friend, Debu said happily and rushed out of the house to play. Yes, now this Debu says that you are a wonderful friend, you helped me. That means this Mika says thanks to this robot and rushed out of the house to play. This Mika was very happy. Not Mika, Debu was very happy. The next morning, as she was leaving for school, Debu opened his notebook to check the homework that Mika had done for him. Yes. In the next morning, Debu came after play, but he did not open his book. In the next morning, he opened his book as he was leaving for the school. Yes. Now he is going to school. At that time, he took that book. Okay. നിങ്ങളെ പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് ഡെബു. നോട്ടൊക്കെ എഴുതാൻ ലേശം മടിയാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ എന്താണ് കൃത്യസമയത്ത് പോകാൻ നേരം ആകുമ്പോഴാണ് എന്ത് നോട്ടൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് നോക്കുന്നത്. കളി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് തലേദിവസം വന്നിട്ട് ഡെബു നോട്ട് നോക്കിയിട്ടേ ഇല്ല. Now this Debu is opened. Now Debu opened his notebook to check the homework. He was quite sure that Robert had done it all correctly. Yes, Debu was sure that this Robert had done everything properly. എല്ലാം കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് ആർക്ക് ഡെബുവിന് നല്ല ഉറപ്പായിരുന്നു. What he saw horrified him. Yes, but the thing that saw was extremely horrified for him. The pages were covered with gibberish. Gibberish mean gibberish. കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം പഠിച്ചതല്ലേ, ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ?
കുത്തി വരച്ചിട്ടല്ലേ?
Yes. കുത്തി വരച്ചിട്ട്. Write something nonsense. Okay. Meaningless speech or writing. Okay. Gibberish. Mika had scribbled all over the notebook with the pen. Scribbled means written or drawn carelessly. Okay. He had drawn something in that book without any care with the pen. Page after page was filled with zigzag lines that mean nothing at all. Yes. In the all pages of that book, this Debu can see the zigzag lines. Only zigzag lines. There is nothing. No words in that book. Okay. Only lines, zigzag lines. Oh no, Debu cried in dismay. Debu cried in shock. It was a shock for this Debu. His book is scribbled by this Robert. Mika, what have you done? He thought of his teacher and of all the other children in his class. How would he face them? There was no time. He would have to go to school with his notebook filled with the scribbles. Okay, now the condition is very horrible. That means Mika want to go to his school. There is no time for rewrite the homework. Okay.
മിക്കയാണോ മിസ് സ്കൂളിൽ പോകുന്നത്? മിക്കയാണോ മിസ് സ്കൂളിൽ പോകുന്നത്?
Not Mika, Debu. ഞാൻ മിക്ക എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞത്. ഓക്കെ, അത് മാറിപ്പോയതാ. ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ മിക്കയും ഡെബുവും തമ്മിൽ മാറിപ്പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ മിക്ക റോബോട്ടാന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചാൽ മതി. അപ്പൊ എന്താണ്, സ്കൂളിൽ പോകണം, ഹോംവർക്ക് മാറ്റി എഴുതാനുള്ള സമയമൊന്നുമില്ല. സ്കൂളിൽ പോയാലുള്ള കണ്ടീഷനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് ആര് ദിസ് ഡെബു ഈസ് തിങ്കിങ് അബൌട്ട് ദ സിറ്റുവേഷൻസ് in the school, teachers in front of teachers or students, other students. Then how would he face him? He thinks that how would this he face his teacher and friends? There was no time. He would have to go to school with his notebook filled with the scribbles. Just then Debu's father came into the room. Yes, at that time Debu's father came into that room. He glanced at Debu's stricken face and asked, "What's the matter? I am sure Monday morning cannot be all that bad." Yes, this Debu's father felt that something mysterious, or he felt a trouble. Stricken face means troublesome face of this Debu. So he asked, "What's the matter? I am sure Monday morning cannot be all that bad." It is Monday morning, and this morning will not be a bad morning. എന്താണ് ഇത്? മൺഡേ മോർണിംഗ് ആണ്. ഇതൊരു മോശം മോർണിംഗ് ഒന്നും ആയിരിക്കില്ലല്ലോ എന്ന് ഡെബുവിന്റെ ഫാദർ പറയുന്നു. ബട്ട് എന്തോ ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നു. Debu was in tears. "It's much worse," he cried and told his father what had happened. "And now I have to face my teacher and the rest of the class with a notebook full of scribbles and I don't know what to do. Yes, Debu was in tears. Tears filled with his eyes. And it's much worse. It's very bad. He says that this morning is very bad for me. He cried. He told his father what had happened. He explained all the things that had happened. And now I have to face my teacher and the rest of the class with a notebook full of scribbles and I don't know what to do. Yes, he says that my notebook is now filled with the scribbles. I don't know what to do. His father said firmly, well, I think you have learned a lesson about laziness and shirking work. Perhaps we should be grateful to Mika. Okay. At that time, father said strongly, firmly, strongly, well, I think you have learned a lesson about laziness and shirking work. Shirking work means avoid or neglect a duty. Okay. Now you got a lesson about this laziness and shirking work. Perhaps we should be grateful to Mika. So, father says that you should be or we should be thankful to this Mika because he taught us a lesson. Okay, this Mika taught us a lesson. So, we should be thankful for him. Is it clear? Story മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ ഇതിനകത്തെ മെയിൻ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് ആരൊക്കെയാണ്?
Debu, Mika, Debuന്റെ പപ്പ.
Yes, Debu, Mika, and father of Debu. And at last, we can find a moral lesson from here. What is the lesson?
About laziness.
Yes, about laziness and shirking work. That means avoid or neglect our duty. We should do our own duty. Okay. നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് നമ്മുടെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. മറ്റുള്ളവരെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി ഏൽപ്പിക്കാൻ പോയാൽ ചിലപ്പം ഇതുപോലത്തെ പണിയൊക്കെ കിട്ടിയെന്ന് വരും.
മിസ് നമ്മുടെ പണി മറ്റുള്ളവരെ ഏൽപ്പിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള റോബോട്ടിനെ കൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്.
അതെ, പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ തന്നെ അത് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന്. പിന്നെ
കൊണ്ടുവന്ന
അങ്ങനെ ചോദിച്ചു, റോബോട്ടിന് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന പണി ചെയ്യിക്കുക. നമുക്ക് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്
മിസ്സേ, ആ കഥേന്റെ അവസാനം പറയുന്നുണ്ട് ആ പപ്പ, അതായത് ഈ മിക്കനെ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന ഹൗസ് ഹോൾഡ് വർക്കിനാണ് അല്ലാതെ നിന്റെ ഹോംവർക്കിംഗ് ആണ് എല്ലാം പറയുന്നുണ്ട്.
അതെയാ? മറ്റേ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ പഠിച്ചപ്പോഴാ?
ആ, കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം പഠിച്ചപ്പോ ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ് കട്ടാവും. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇതിന്റെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.